How to add someone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add someone on WhatsApp, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to add someone on WhatsApp, all you have to do is first of all open the WhatsApp Messenger app. You have to understand one thing, WhatsApp actually comes from your contact list. So in order to add them and talk to them on WhatsApp, you have to add them to your contact list on your phone. To do this, after you open up WhatsApp, you can do it from the app as well. You can just tap the messaging icon from the bottom right, and then here you'll see all this. You'll be able to see by default all the people that are actually available on WhatsApp. You can just talk to them directly. But if you want to create a new contact, then just tap the new contact option over here, and it will take you to your phone's contact page. All you have to do is just make sure to enter their name like this. Once you enter the phone number of that person just like this, you can also go ahead and make sure to enter their phone number. And then once you've entered the phone number, just tap the save button. The contact will be successfully created. Once you've created the contact successfully, you can search for the contact by just tapping the search button over here. Once you tap the search button over here, you can just search for the person that you added. If they are using WhatsApp, you'll see, hey, I'm using WhatsApp. If they are not using WhatsApp, it'll ask you to simply send an invite code to them so that they can begin using WhatsApp. So all you have to do is just go to the chat page, send them a specific message, and the contact will be successfully added. This is simply how you can go ahead and then add someone on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.